Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about Euro USD and the reason for which I want to break down Euro USD, because we are very near to having a good opportunity obviously capitalize on Euro USD. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for Euro USD and we will then going to see what we have from quote perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help to you how to combine technical analysis and sentiment analysis correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next moment on Euro USD. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. Now generally speaking in the market, if we have impulsive move, what we will expect? It should be create corrective pattern, and after that corrective pattern, market should create another impulsive movement continuous to the upside for the creation of higher high. That's the exactly market did. Market provide this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside, complete the pattern of itself. After market created higher high, if market broken in this resistance area to the upside, that previous resistance area should turn into the support area. In fact, market is currently testing in the previous resistance, now turn into the support. When you have retest on previous resistance, market should get rejection on this area for the creation of new higher high and for the completion of impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Going down in the weekly time frame, what we can see? On the weekly time frame, market provide to us very clear structure. Market created higher high and it was broken to the upside and what we expected. But in this area, market not react. Market broken down to the this strong area and which resistance are not turned into the support. But currently market test and rejected on this previous resistance area and go down here. As well as we can see nice candle like red body and very long wick. What we can expect for the next candle to the fill in the wick, possibility to the move to the downside, and currently weekly market doing here. On the weekly market proceeding to the downside, as we usually expect this kind of situation. Going down in the daily time frame, what do we have? But at that moment, what do we have and how can we looking for the next opportunity on Euro USD? Now here on the daily one important thing that we can notice. Currently we can see very good strong daily resistance which is now turned into the support area at this area. So this area is not only strong demand on the monthly, but it is also support here from a daily perspective, from which because market can easily rejection for the upside. Now if we going to see commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing here. What we can see, the last report net position increased from 163k to 165k with 1.5k long added and only 300 getting close short. Currently we have 238k longs and 72.7k short. Important point, which is euro market increased net position from 133k to 165k. Because of that, we can expect market should move to the upside after completed impulse correction and impulse pattern. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with the core data are the best time frame for the measured direction of the market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is the 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bearish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bearish market to the 4-hour bullish market for the enter to the buy trade. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.